started recording. Today we will see from the beginning. Yes, today we will see the concept of probability. Class 10 probability. Sunil sir maths lectures. Like and subscribe. So what is probability? And here we have a first one, definitions, little definitions we need to learn before going to the actual concept. Random experiment is an experiment whose result is not known earlier. Let us say random experiment or trial or observation, if a long textbook definition is given. But simply random experiment means the experiment whose result is not known. We have a small example here. The set of all possible outcomes is called sample space. Means all the results of an experiment, if you collect and put in a set, that is your sample space. And random experiment is very important thing, is the experiment whose result is not known. Means before performing an experiment, you should not know the result of an experiment. You cannot expect it. Like we have some examples of random experiment. We need to learn only three. That is tossing a coin. It can be one coin, two coins, or three coins. When a coin is tossed, you have a maximum of two outcomes. Not actually. When one coin is tossed, you'll have only two outcomes. Those are head and tail. If this is one good example of a random experiment, we'll be learning more about it. When a dice is rolled, that is the next one. Dice has six faces. It's just a cube. There are six faces will be numbered with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is your sample space. In addition to this dice and tossing a coin, we have another one, that is playing cards. Might be knowing this. The playing cards are black in color and also red in color. There are total 52. Black color of 26, red color 26. In this black color, this again two groups we have. Clubs are having 13, spade is having 13, diamond 13, heart 13. These are all groups of the playing card. And here, very important point here, face cards. Face cards means, or picture cards means, king, queen and jack. These were again 12 in number. Red have 6 and black have 6. So now here, probability of any event is given by number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Ignore these things. I've used some what we call text math type in between, so it was inbuilt, it is given. So let's see, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes is the probability of any event. We have a question here. When a coin is tossed, what is probability of getting an head? Means just now we discussed that when a coin is tossed, we have total two outcomes. Head will come only one time, so that is 1 upon 2 is your probability. When a dice is rolled, what is the probability of getting a prime? So in the dice, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 numbers. Among them, the prime are 2, 3 and 5, that is 3. 3 upon 6, if you do, you will get 1 by 2. Odd number, 1, 3, 5, those are also 3 upon 6, that is again 1 by 2. Even number, that is 2, 6 and 4. These are also 3 by 6, that is nothing but 1 by 2. When a card is picked from a playing cards, what is the probability of getting an ace? In the previous table, we have missed the concept of an ace. Ace are 4 in number. So what would be that? You can try that one. If P of E is 1 by 7, not E, means not occurring E, is 1 minus P of E. If you subtract it from 1, you will get 6 out of 7. Important points you must know before solving the probability. So that is, probability of any event can be 0, it cannot be less than 0. If it is 0, then that event is called impossible. If the probability of an event is 1, that is the maximum value, then that event is called a sure event. The probability value lies between 0 and 1. As I told you, it cannot be negative or it cannot be more than 1. Now P of E plus P of not E, just now we did one question, the total is equal to 1, or the total probability is equal to 1. So P of E is equal to 1 minus P of not E. that is vice versa also. It's a good formula. Now, two or more events are equally likely if they have equal chances of occurring, not necessarily the 50%. 50% it will be coming if you have only two events. Now, there are some simple questions here. P of event E plus P of not E. I have mentioned here the total probability is 1. The probability of an event cannot happen is 0. That is cannot happen, and that is called impossible event. The probability of an event is certain to happen is 1, and this is called assured. The sum of all probabilities, the maximum value of probability, that is 1. Probability of event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Now, which of the following is equally likely outcomes? You can take the screenshot and try this one. Which of the following cannot be a probability of an event? Probability cannot be negative, so the B is your option. Now, P of E is 0.05. What is P of not E? The formula 1 minus P of E. You subtract, you will be getting 1 minus 0.05, that is 0.95. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Listen this, there are only lemon flavored candies. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she took some orange flavor? There is only lemon flavor. From where we got orange flavor? So this probability is impossible. So the answer is 0. Lemon flavor will be definitely available. So this is total, that is 1. Now, here we have some questions, simple questions. It is given that in a group of 3 students, you can take a screenshot and try this and put a pause over here and try these questions. If we are not getting, we have solutions later. Now see, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. Now what is the probability that 2 students have the same birthday? Not having is 0.992, same will be 1 minus P of not. That's the same example we have taken. So that will be 0.008 if you simplify. Now, a bag contains 3 red and 5 black. So total, how many are there? 8. So a ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability of picking a red one? Red are how many? 3 out of 8. So 3 by 8 will be the red. Not red. Try this. We have a question here. Not red will be 5 by 8. What about the next one? They have taken directly. Here the box contains 5 and 8 and 4 green, white and red. These all you should add. You will be getting 17 as I written here. Red color, so that is 5 upon 17. White color 8 upon 17. And it is not green, except green, count the remaining, that is 13 upon 17. Now here these questions are little like a homework type. I have given, try to solve this one. We have some other questions like this. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132. That means 12 plus 132 will make it as total 144. It's not possible to just look at the pen and take out it, and one pen is taken at random from the slot. And what is the probability that the pen is good one? So the good one, see, the total are 144 and the good one are 132 upon 144. If you simplify, you will get 11 upon 2. A lot contain 20 bulbs and 4 are defective. 20 means total are 20 here, then 4 are defective, sorry, 4 are good. Oh sorry, I made a mistake here. You can change this and try to solve this. We will end till here. Thanks for watching. Okay.